Hey, kids in Beaverton head back to class tomorrow. Most other kids went back last week, but parents, it can be hard to find healthy snacks to put in their lunch.
Yeah, definitely. And there are 5 quick snack swaps that you can make that will help give their meals a nutritious boost. First, instead of the little Goldfish pouches, they say pack a cheese stick and some Triscuits. They'll get a lot more calcium, protein, and fiber.
Some organic baby carrots are a good choice, but instead of ranch, use hummus. Sabra sells those little single to-go cups. They're easy to pack in the lunch. You get fewer grams of fat and more fiber with this swap.
And they say skip the Lay's potato chips. Instead, that's a sad one. Instead, try Angie's, say it with me, Boom Chicka Pop sea salt popcorn. I've actually had it. It's pretty good. Boom Chicka Pop. There is so much less salt in them than regular potato chips.
On the sweet side, trade in the mini Chips Ahoy cookies for a Kind bar. There are all sorts of flavors, including dark chocolate. The kids will get a bigger dose of fiber and protein.
We promise you can talk your kids into this. And last, instead of M&Ms, add a bag of nuts. You might have a hard time with that one, actually. Trader Joe's sells a pack with a mix of almonds, cashews, pistachios, chocolate, sell that one, cranberries and cherries as well. It has less than half the sugar content of a package of M&Ms. So good info there.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Yeah.